Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how we can rotate the canvas on Affinity Designer in 2026. So let us get started. So guys, what you want to do is navigate to your document or canvas or design here on Affinity, and you can rotate objects, of course, by right-clicking into them and by selecting transform and then rotate them. However guys, you can also do the same for the canvas. And to do that, what you want to do is, there are two options how we can do this. Option number one, you click into document in the top left and choose one of these options. Rotate 90 degrees clockwise or anti-clockwise, or alternately use one of these shortcuts. Control-Alt-Shift-Up for this option and Control-Alt-Shift-Down for anti-clockwise. That's it. But you can also do the following, guys. What you want to do is click into view here at the top, hover your mouse over rotate, and now you can use one of these options, left or right, and rotate the canvas that way. So not by 90 degrees, but somehow, by 10 or 15, for example, and rotate the canvas like this. While the objects will keep their preset rotation level. So click into view again, hover mouse over rotate, and reset the rotation by using this option to return to the previous setup. That's how it works. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.